honest. I'm going to save it for when it's time to go somewhere. Special occasion. Today is the special occasion. You woke up on the other side. Somebody didn't make it. You don't go nowhere. You don't go out to eat. You don't go to the clubs. You don't do nothing. When you gonna wear it? Dig in that closet and put it on. I don't care if you're going to the grocery store. Show up and show out for yourself, if nobody else. Before it be too little, you're gonna blink and it's gonna be spring. You ain't gonna get to wear none of your stuff. Every time I turn around, it's one day I'm gonna put it on. Well, girl, you ain't going nowhere. Put them clothes on. I don't care if it's a ball gown. Wear it to the grocery store and go buy you some celery. I don't know.